Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DFBG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would consider more so kind of the shorter term level, and that would be the bottom portion of this little consolidation and breakout area that occurred. And that's right there at about 510, but let's just make it easier to remember. Let's call it $5 even. So $5 would be that first level of support. And if the price could somehow manage to stay up above there, that would definitely make the chart look the strongest. By no means is it a do or die level. But like I said, if the price could come down here, manage to kind of bounce around and then start to work its way back upwards, just from an overall chart perspective, that would certainly make it look the most attractive. Again, most attractive, but if the price doesn't hold above it, it's not like it ruins everything or anything like that. Next level of support after the $5 mark would be this former area of a former breakout point, I should say, and that makes it easy, 450. So $5 and 450 to a kind of what I would consider the near term levels. Definitely more so a bigger picture type viewpoint, and by no means am I saying the price is headed down here, but definitely from the overall chart perspective, that level of support would be at $3.50. And that is just simply coming from, where the price essentially consolidated on the day before going up on that nice move. So, the first 30 minutes were kind of rough. Price was all over the place, pulled back, but that's where things finally stabilized there. And then from that point forward, the price was able to start to grind its way back upwards. So 350, definitely a key level of support also. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, sellers right now sitting right around the $6.25 mark. I realize the price did technically go up above it, but there was also times where the price didn't quite hit it. So I'm just splitting difference there, and we're going to call it $6.25. All in all, though, any way you slice it, very nice move today, nice volume, and as long as the price can start to build higher bases, that's the name of the game. So a lot of eyeballs watching this one today. I know I'll be watching it tomorrow, so let's see how it all continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.